Hi there. So this is how you start using a Cricut Design Space on your iPhone. So I'm going to click on New Project, and then you can see you have your menu bar down here at the bottom. You can add images, you can add text, you can add shapes, you can upload files, you can do actions, edit, sync, and layers. And then you have the undo and the redo, and then camera, and then settings. So let's add in an image. Just went to the featured images. Oh, I'm going to add this cute little Cricut cutie. You tap on it, it turns green, shows up down at the very bottom, and then you have that insert button. So you're ready to insert, you touch that, and now it's on your canvas.